We're out here to James Island Yacht Club for the Southeast Regatta for Special Olympics. We have the states of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia competing this weekend for medals and ribbons in the art of sailing. Charleston County Sheriff's Office has been coordinating along with the Coast Guard and other agencies in the Low Country for this very special opening ceremony. People come from all around just to see the opening ceremonies here at the Yacht Club. The idea of law enforcement participating in opening ceremonies for the Southeast Regatta was to show our connection and efforts to support the Special Olympics. This is a very unique sport for athletes to participate in.
All athletes, please rise.
It takes a lot of funds and a lot of people to make this event happen. And so the South Carolina Law Enforcement Torch Run raises money around the state for programs just like the regatta that takes place here at James Island Yacht Club. In addition to running the torch in and lighting the cauldron to signify the opening of the games, we had 13 boats tonight operate for the opening ceremonies, including our Charleston County Sheriff's Office airboat, and we had the United States Coast Guard helicopter guiding them in. The athletes love it. They love seeing the boats, the police lights. But for law enforcement, these are one of the opportunities that they can see the fruits of their labor and to see that all the hard work they've done, what it culminates into, and for these athletes. It's something very special for all of us, and we have a great time doing it. The athlete and an explorer from Charleston County Sheriff's Office Explorer Post came off the airboat. They were given a torch and they ran over to the cauldron and lit the cauldron and to signify the opening of the Southeast Regatta for Special Olympics.
Hold on, there you go. Go, here we go. You ready?
Sounds good, guys.